MPV unit, you need 4 main parts. You need a head, a neck, a shell, and a motivator. Once you've got all those parts, let us know. If you have any questions, we're right here behind you.
Hit that red button.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
Yep. And then the foot's up. There we go. Now that we have this all set, this is going to be your favorite part. So there's going to be one of these panels. Can you...
And now that we got your chip in, you can go ahead and test your droid out. Just be careful not to drive it off the edge.
Our droid all set up. This is going to be our communication. This is going to be for accessories if we want to add additional like this is going to be our left, right, forward, backward, and out together.
Hey everyone, welcome to another A Little Time Away. Today we are at Hollywood Studios in Orlando, Florida at Walt Disney World. And we're going to be going to Star Wars Galaxy Edge because today, if you're a Star Wars fan like me, you're going to love it. That truly immerses you in this area where you get great and wonderful snacks, drinks, merchandise, and much more. The one thing that sticks out to me the most is Disney's attention to detail. They do such a wonderful job when they put this together. It's truly amazing, and I think you guys would enjoy it as you walk around and see everything that they have to offer. Also over in Galaxy's Edge, this is where you'll find rides like the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance and the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. Those are two great rides. I know we did both of those and we thoroughly enjoyed them. You'll also come across characters. You can get in touch with the First Order, Kylo Ren, the Stormtroopers. May even get to see some surprise guests like on our trip. We got to run into the Mandalorian and Grogu. But today we're going to be building us a droid, so we're going to head over on to Droid Depot, where we get to build our droid. Today I have my lovely assistant with me, which is my beautiful daughter. She's going to be building the droid. I built one. You guys, I'll pop it up so you guys can see it toward the end, the one I built. But let's get in here and let's go check it out. So once you check in with a cast member at the front, you can get in line and you'll see the cage here where you look at kind of what they have to offer, what parts, what size, what color. And then once you get checked in and everything, you can go in here and they'll take you over to the conveyor belt where you pick out your parts. They do have a cast member there that explains which parts you need. They also have the pictures there going so you can kind of see in front of you which items you need. One thing I do want to point out, just a note here, you might want to do what they call an advanced reservation. It's highly recommended because this is a popular attraction and it tends to get very busy, especially at certain times of the year. So walk-ups aren't always available. So advanced reservation is going to help you out there. Also, another thing they offer is backpacks that you can purchase extra for your droid to carry around in, and they interact with things around the park. So it's kind of cool to have that, and they do give you a complimentary box to carry, kind of like a Build-A-Bear box. Which if you ever have one of those, it gets tired of carrying those around the park. So the backpack's kind of helpful, but you know, work with that. But let's get back to building the droid. Once you have all your pieces together, the cast member will come over and verify to make sure. You also still have the board up there. We checked it again. We forgot a piece, so we had to go back and get this piece. So we got that, and then we flagged down our cast member, let him know we had everything. He verified it, and then he took us over to where you assemble and put it together. The best part about this is you don't have to read instructions. They're there to help you along the way, which is pretty easy to put together. They explain some things, how to turn it on, how to turn it off, which pieces to where, how to put it all together. So they're there to help. So you guys check it out. Now, one of my favorite parts of this whole experience is when you actually get to push the button and make your droid come alive. So you guys listen in as we're going to go in. Be careful, it is a little noisy, so you might want to hit the volume button, but check it out, guys.
Hit that red button.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
Yep. And then the foot's on. There we go. Now that we have this all set, this is going to be your favorite part. So there's going to be one of these panels. Can you open up one of these panels for me? There's going to be little grooves.
There's a secret door here somewhere. Oh, you found one. Okay. Let's see if there's a
Droid is activated.
That part is just so cool to me. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Another great thing you can get is a sound chip. You can purchase that extra. That gives your droid a sound. You can sound like R2, BB-8, so on. They got several different options. And he went back in and added our chip in. And one of the last things you get to do is play with your droid here. Make sure your remote's working correctly. And have fun with it. So there's also a play area you can go and play with it in there. It's just outside of the Droid Depot. One of the other cool things is the robots will interact with each other as you're out there playing. So as I said earlier, I also built a robot. I built an R-Series. Here's a photo of mine as we got home. We had such a great time building the robots. So let us know what you think. Well, that's all for this trip. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us build these robots as much as we enjoyed building them. So the next time you're in Orlando, Florida at Walt Disney World, Hollywood Studios, check out Galaxy's Edge and build you a robot. And remember, do you need a little time away? Until next time, guys. Later.